Every Jamaican deserves a place to call their own home. Our plans are to make that a reality. We don't bulldoze people's homes, we build them. We're going to restore the special low interest rates for public sector workers. We're going to introduce a 3-month moratorium period after you buy the house, so you have some time to furnish it and do little fixing up before you have to start making your mortgage payments. And we'll increase the debt service ratio for public sector workers so that you can qualify for a bigger mortgage loan. We're really thinking about you guys. And for our young people, we have the Young Owners Fund, a $1 billion annual fund within the NHT, where anyone up to 35 who's buying a house for the first time, if they're an NHT contributor for at least 2 years, can get a grant of $500,000 towards the deposit on the house. And if you're a person who is working but can't produce a pay slip because you're in the informal economy, or you're struggling to save enough for a deposit for a home, we have the rent-to-own plan, where you can go into the house as a tenant, paying rent equal to the mortgage, and after 6 months, if you can establish your capacity to pay the rent on time, you'll be eligible for the mortgage, you can draw down the loan and become an owner of the house and step up in life. Because housing is not just a luxury for the few, it's a must for everyone.
You Daughther Anju owns uncertified creature. What that money that we are announced to give the people them, what that can do to the people them? People with them house blow down to nothing. What 75,000? What 200,000 can do? You're not even saying we can give the people them $1 million each because you have how much $6.1 trillion for issue to the people them. You're a wicked big nose, dirty cockroach, dirty man. But remember, your days are come and come short because remember, una go prison one by one, una go jail. Uncertified creature, Anju Oldness, he's an uncertified creature amongst the people them. The nurse them go out there yesterday go demonstrate. We need to come out every day upon them, every day until the hospital fix how they want it. The police them need to come out, the whole of the citizens of Jamaica need to start come out upon this big nose dirty, uncertified creature, dirty thief and wicked man. Eh? You're the uncertified creature, how you feel still around the country? Are you not certified drunk, bro?
Morning, family, morning, on top of the morning. This is Daughther speaking. Greetings in the name of Imperial Majesty. My name is Christopher, but my heart is not tough like Mr. Tufton. Christopher Tufton, you ever go through A&E in emergency before? When you come on Moby and come on Carmel Region and stand up outside and take pictures, you ever go inside a Carmel Regional emergency A&E before? Never, right? A year is now. People asleep and cheer up there, you know. I want to come out and tell some people different things. But who feels it knows it. I bet the nurses that come out to speak out, they shall be suspended or penalized and move away from Cornwall Regional. I bet you're not going to do inspection on who planned this demonstration than fix the situation. I bet you're not going to do that. Because I remember one time I saw one nurse in a black. And for me, a little boy till now, nurse wear white. And she said, protest, them a protest. For pay. This time and the money they want better facility, proper infrastructure to work and comfortable with them work because blood they all over the floor up there. People are bleed and the place stink. Nurse that she see them wear white. And some nasty work them do. They come across some nasty people. Very smelling bad. And you, Christopher Daughther, I try to paint a picture to the bigger world. And buy your Benz and your Beamer and go get all 3-4 girls so cute one time. You know? I want to floss and broth and get the money to build a better hospital. I want to use the bill mark. You build mark. Dead house. So you no matter if people dead because when them dead you get them. So it better you get some dead body than fix the people them because it benefited you. No minister or control a hospital should not own a morgue. Not under hurt that can't right. You would rather see people dead because it benefited you. Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you people? Eh? I saw the nurse them like a dog. And when they cry out, no, when you see nurse cry out, you must know. Because nurse now cry out, there is a wallet. Then hold it. You see, they put it up over their face because they don't want to show their face. Because they know what will happen to them. You know, wicked to people. If you think of nobody, see, suspend them. Right now, no short of staff. Because of the situation up there. If you think your body, see, suspend them and say people are dead like a dog and that's how you will get them. You know what you are doing now. You know what the fuck you're doing. Cause if not but you know, I'm in a trust. Cause it was allegedly that you people selling body parts. People at the hospital with broke hand and dead. Broke foot and dead. You know, wicked Mumma ras. You hear? On the things you can hide back on shadow. You hear? On the wicked Mumma ras on if you come the fuck down. No. You hear? Because only when we speak, you know, label we as PMP. Tell me if you will I nurse about go out there yesterday a PMP. A PMP them. Pussy will tough than a PMP them. Eh? You know, full of shit, your blood clots. I don't want to say, you say, you know, blood clot, you say, and yet to know you fuck. Yet to know, more than come and America, come and lift up on a blood clot and go on, you know. Here, and sit on a prison for the rest of life and soap eyes on a blood clot because of dead. Soap eyes on a pussy. Here. What I was speaking, who vex. Fuck, you know.
It's Roadstar Youth reporting to you live from Arfetry. Now people, I'm going to show you nowadays people wicked. We see this nice young girl right here, right in Arfetry. She looks spaced out, like, you know, somebody not have sound mind. See it? She give you a number for show you a taxi man look out for people, you know.
She give her mother number.
Right.
Contact the mother and say, lady, what you know, you're not even a good fame or glory. All for people are going to miss me, you understand?
Yeah.
We call her and say, yo, I can drop your daughter house. Call her and the woman said to me, she's a 27-year-old, she no response to her. You see it? Taxman are the goodest person. And yet still, una bash taxman. Look at this female right now.
Look at her.
Look at her right
She have shape, she not ugly. Enough thirsty man that want. Well, enough thirsty man that want to take advantage of her and abuse her. We see what I want. I will call the mother go talk about. She me say mother, you know if her having any mental condition? No, but them audience jokes are. From the mother said that, me know say she know exactly what the mother know exactly what I'm to her and don't care about her daughter with her. And of them wickedness that go on in Jamaica, enough time you see pitney miss and everything there. The parents them neglect the pitney them. Not because she reach of age. You must still concerned bro, you understand me I say? Big idiot things I see police car now. Show the police jeep. Show the police jeep. What did you do, man? You tell them show the police jeep. You tell them. You see me I say? So right now call the radio car for the police. Yeah dog, we have to look out for one another bro. Because she just in at the gas station and walk one up. And we don't know what I'm to her. Take care, man. Police.